Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to compare Roborock Qrevo Master and Curv. The Roborock Qrevo Master delivers elite cleaning with flexi arm design for thorough coverage, hyperforce suction power, a dual roller razor brush, and the advanced multifunctional dock. It offers both manual water tank replacement with flexible dock placement and an option with a refill and drainage system for automated water replacement, with pre-check installation required. Roborock's exclusive flexi-arm design side brush and edge mopping system eliminate blind spots for unparalleled coverage. With 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction and dual all-rubber counter-rotating rollers, it captures hair, dust, and debris across hardwood, tiles, and carpets with extraordinary cleanliness. The Roborock Carpet Boost Plus system ensures 99% hair removal from carpets, delivering deeper and more rigorous cleaning results. Its dual rubber spiral brush design prevents tangling, while concealed scrapers in the cover effectively remove hair. The upgraded multifunctional dock provides enhanced mop washing and self-cleaning for a hands-free experience. A newly incorporated self-driven cleaning module uses rotating scrapers to clean the dock base bottom, reducing manual maintenance. All self-cleaning module accessories and the dock base are detachable for easy washing when required. With a built-in intelligent voice assistant and reactive AI obstacle recognition, the Qrevo Master ensures smooth, pristine, and efficient cleanups. The Roborock Qrevo Robot Vacuum with multifunctional dock, priced at £799.99. It combines elegance and innovation for next-level cleaning performance. It delivers 18,500 pascal hyperforce suction power, ensuring every corner is spotless with flexi-arm technology. The dual anti-tangle system and duo divide main brush prevent hair tangles, while the industry-first Adapti lift chassis adapts to various floor types for comprehensive and hassle-free cleaning. Equipped with a flexi-arm arc side brush and flexi-arm edge mop, it provides unmatched edge and corner coverage. The liftable dual spinning mops enhance versatility, paired with intelligent dirt detection for adaptive cleaning. Navigation is powered by PreciSense LiDAR and reactive AI obstacle recognition, ensuring smooth and precise movement. The Qrevo Curv also features video call and cruise, offering advanced interactivity. The Hello Rocky intelligent voice assistant adds convenience with smart control. That's it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.